In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a new repository on GitHub Desktop. So first, you need to log in with your Gmail. There's one if you have done it. You need to click on this new icon, or otherwise going on this option, then this option, then repository. So you know, type a name for your all these projects. So I write it's all okay, it's available. Now write a description. You can write anything here. It's 350 character uh, allow. So now choose visibility. You can choose anyone public or private as well. So this one at readme I recommend about run one. So at git okay, there's everything good. So I upload a file, then click on add file, upload file. Now just drag and drop a zip file. So I want to upload this one from my computer. That's it. Once you've done it, you need to click on commit changes. My work are finished.